Hi, welcome to DappBlocks. In this video, we will learn Ethers.js, how to fetch ERC-20 token balance and how to transfer ERC-20 token from one wallet to another. If you are new on the channel, my name is Himmat. Here we learn all fundamental concepts and practical development of blockchain technologies. So if this is something helpful to you, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Prerequisite. First, Node.js. You can download Node.js from nodejs.org. Second, Infura. Sign up to the infura.io and get HTTP RPC URL. In the previous video, we have seen some Ether.js functions and how to transfer Ether. So here we have fetch account, private key and RPC HTTP URL from the .env. Then we have this provider to connect to the blockchain. Then we have the private key in hex format and the signer is to sign the transaction. Then in the run basics we have this balance, how to get the balance. Then we have converted that balance into the ether format. Then there is a function parse ether to convert back to ether from the GUI. Then we have seen how to get the block number. Then this is the transfer ETH function where we can write the same transaction with to and value. So now let's see how we can transfer ERC-20 token. So for that, let's write transfer ERC-20 token, then async function transfer ERC-20. Then from here we need to call that transfer ERC-20. So for now you can comment this ETH. Okay, so here we need the token address. So token address, token constant, token address equal to. So this I am going to hard code for now. You can get it from the as a user info or from the .env. So I'll go to the browser. This is the chainlink token. So if you see here, this chainlink token, link token, you can copy this contact address from here, copy it, and you can paste it as it is. Okay. Now we need the token ABI. So for that, constant token ABI. So this is something different than ABI in the web3.js. Here we just need to write the function names. Let's see how we can write that. So in the list, this is the array or the list of functions, and this token ABI is the same for all the across all the tokens. So here we need to write something like function balance of. So this function is to get the balance of ERC-20 token. So balance of bracket address and then view return and the data type. This is event. So all the functions should be same for the ERC-20 token. So now let's try and get the token balance. So first we need to create the token contract. So constant token contract equal to new ethers dot contract. Then we need to pass the token address and the token API. and the third parameter is provider. So provider, this one is the provider with the RPC HTTP URL. Okay, then we have the token contract. Now we can get the token balance. So now constant or get the token balance, constant token balance equal to await token contract dot balance of. So you can write function name from this API. So balance of, then we need to pass the account address or the wallet address. So this will write us the token balance. This is again in the UI format. So let's print that console.log chain link on the token balance. Token balance. Then this is token balance. Okay, token balance. Then we have to convert that to string, else it will return in the hexadecimal format. So this is fine. So just type node index.js. This is to run this file. So if you see there, token balance is in UI format. So let's convert that to the decimal format. So this is 144 link, and this is the UI conversion of that 144. So let's convert that to the decimal format. So ethers. So we need to print that. Convert to decimal format. So ethers dot utils dot, then we have the format units. Here you need to pass the token balance and then the decimal. So you can get the decimal value from here. Go to the, this is the decimal, this is the 18 decimal, this is the 18 decimal token. So you can pass this 18 over here. So you can print that console.log. Okay, so let's run the command again. Index.js. So if you see here, it's 144 ether, 144 tokens. Token balance in decimal. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Now let's try and transfer ERC-20 token to other account. So transfer ERC-20 token. Okay, so here for that, let's see, constant, then token signer, constant token signer, then token contract dot, then we need to call this. We first need to connect to the token contract with the connect method. So token contract dot connect to the signer. Signer is nothing but signer is used to sign the transaction or provide the signature or the authentication to the transaction. Then now we can transfer token. So here we need another function, that is transfer in the token ABI. So here function transfer address to units amount. So in the transfer method we need two parameters. One is whom to transfer and second is amount to transfer. So 2 is the address and amount is in uint. Uint is a data type. So you can use that transfer method or transfer function with the help of token contract. So constant transaction equal to token contract or await token contract dot transfer okay. Then you need to pass those two parameters. One is your to address and second is the amount. So to address you can copy, you can then to address we just hard code it for now. So let's copy this address and paste it here. Okay, and then you can write the amount. So for amount you can pass let's write constant instead of writing in the same function. Then write the constant token amount ethers dot utils dot format or parse units. So this is token amount should be in the UI format, so we are converting that decimal or the decimal to the UI. So we have the 144 link. Let's transfer 4 links, then the 18. Here we need to pass the token amount. So this will that 4 will transfer convert that to the UI format, and this is the transaction. So token contract dot transfer. This is fine. Token signer. Here we should have the token signer, not the token contract. So then console.log transaction dot hash. Okay. So this will print us the transaction hash once it's submitted to the blockchain. So token transfer hash. Okay. So you can save this file and run the command again. So let me check one more time. Okay, this is the transfer token. Okay. So run this command now. Okay. So if you see there is the transaction hash. You can copy that transaction hash and search it in the Etherscan. So if you see there, that transaction got added to this particular block. You can cross verify the from and to addresses. So chain link. It will take some time to refresh or update the values. So there, this is successful transfer. This 4 chain link or links transferred from this address to that address, the to address. You can cross check that. Okay, let's refresh this and check the remaining balance is 140. That means 4 links transferred to the other wallet. So those are the 4 links. Okay. So this is how you can transfer ERC-20 token to any wallet address. So now you can cross verify the remaining balance by running it again. So this is the 140 links or the token. Okay, similarly in the ERC-20 ABI, there are multiple functions. You can just write the functions into the ABI and use it with the help of token contract or the token signer. So here, for example, we have the token name, then we have the token symbol, then we have the total supply, etc, etc. So in the next video, we will see how we can interact with the smart contract using Ethers.js. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.